Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best embossing machines on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Cricut Joy Machine. Cricut Joy is the brand's smallest and cheapest craft machine, but it's more than capable of handling most projects you'll want to do. The advantage of the Cricut Joy is it can fit into a bag and be taken on your travels, or a good option if you're short of space at home. The Cricut Joy can cut and draw from designs created on the new Cricut mobile app, and with the right attachment you can emboss all sorts of materials, including foils. You'll need the Cricut Joy Foil Transfer Kit and/or the Cricut Debossing Tip for embossing. You can find these in our Best Cricut Accessories Guide. The advantage of the Cricut Joy is you can do more than simply embossing all in one machine, so it's ultimately good value for money. It's also an incredibly easy craft machine to use and is a nice size, but it can also handle projects up to 20 feet long. It's worth noting the small machine size means it's restricted to 4-inch wide materials. Pros: fits in a bag. Does much more than embossing. Upgrade with new tools. Cons: ideally you need Cricut access. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sizzix Big Shot Switch Plus. The Sizzix Big Shot Switch Plus is the newest die cutting and embossing machines from the Sizzix brand, one of the best around, and it's finally caught with the likes of Cricut and Silhouette. Kind of. While this latest machine is an all-digital device, it doesn't use an app to create its embossing but remains faithful to the metal cutters you may be used to from the traditional manual machines. The Sizzix Big Shot Switch Plus uses the same metal die cut process, so you place pre-sized templates into the machine with your material and it uses pressure to stencil, emboss, or cut the designs. Being digital, however, this can be done at the press of a button and the machine judges the pressure and feeds the material through. It's a great machine, especially if this is the embossing process you're used to. The only real downside is the cost, as you can buy a Cricut Joy or older model Cricut Explore for around the same price. But those craft machines can be complex and not for everyone. If you're already in the Sizzix style of die cutting, then the Sizzix Big Shot Switch Plus is an excellent option. Pros: all digital embossing machine. Good storage for die cutters. Simple and easy controls. Cons: same price as a Cricut Joy. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sizzix Big Shot Manual Die Cutting Machine. New to embossing? Then our top recommendation is the Sizzix Big Shot Manual Die Cutting Machine. It won't work with embossing folders wider than 6 inches, but with a carry handle and manual design, this machine is perfect for beginners and those who are new to embossing. Because Sizzix has a wide range of compatible dies and platforms, you can even expand your collection as you advance. This starter kit is built to last, too. It has a steel core roller system to evenly emboss and die cut every task, and comes with a platform, cutting pads, and a thin die adapter. Our one complaint is that it won't fold away for easier storage, but this does mean that the cutting platform is stronger. Pros: durable design. Compatible with plenty of extras. Great value. Cons: not foldable. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sizzix Big Shot Pro. If you're going to be embossing at scale, you need the Sizzix Big Shot Pro. With an opening of 13 inches, it can be used for large tasks and die cutting in bulk. You can cut up to A3 size paper and use dies of up to 12 inches, which are made especially for this machine. Its roller is industrial strength and the design is entirely made of metal, but you'll still have to do the rolling yourself with the manual handle. Underneath the cutting pads there's also plenty of storage space for extra dies and crafting materials. The professional standard dies are suitable for cutting more than just paper and cardstock. You can also use this embossing machine for materials, making it perfect for quilting or fashion projects. Pros: large cutting dimensions. Inbuilt storage. Great for fabric and cards. Cons. An expensive choice. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Sizzix Big Shot Foldaway. Want to do some embossing on your travels? Then you'll want something that's nice and compact, and the Sizzix Big Shot Foldaway is just the ticket and deserving of a rightful place in our list of the best embossing machines. When closed and packed away, this embossing machine is just 15.8 into 26.6 into 20.3 centimeters. Even the handle folds away in front of the machine, so it's perfectly portable and also well-sized for those who want a neat and tidy crafting space when it's not in use. As with any hinged cutting surface, it may be less sturdy than a model that won't fold away, but it's a price worth paying if you love to craft on the go. You also get inbuilt storage that can keep dies and tools out of the way when you're not crafting. Be warned, though, at just 6 inches, this machine is best suited to A5 tasks, so don't expect to do any full-size A4 tasks. Pros. Fold-away cutting surface. Inbuilt die storage. Roller handle. Cons. Maybe less sturdy. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.